Good afternoon, folks. Big Bo here with another great little small travel trailer value from Parkway RV Center. Doing this one for a customer that's looking for a little camper like this. This is a 2015 Jayco Jay Flight SLX. The model number is a 154BH. This is a 17-foot long little single axle, simple, easy to use travel trailer with bunks. Ideal for a small family or a couple. Of course, Jayco, name that's been around for a long time in the RV industry. Over 80% of their factory workforce are either Amish or Mennonite. So a lot of quality in a little camper. Weighs 2,419 pounds. So this is an easy tow, really honestly, just about anything with a trailer hitch on it. It's something that you can tow very easily. That single axle is going to back in real easy. You don't have to have a great big vehicle to tow this camper. And if you've got a smaller pickup truck, like a Ford Ranger, Toyota Tacoma, or a small SUV or a minivan, this is ideal. Tires look great. Camper has very little use. It was a local trade-in. Pretty neat. Now I've just got a jump box hooked to it right now for power. I'm kind of down here what we call no man's land, where there's no electrical hookups, but got the power tongue jack, which is a nice upgrade. Single 20-pound bottle, which is all you need for this little camper. You don't need a lot of propane for something like this. Got an awning. They've added a few little touches to it. See, welcome to our camper. 154BH. I'm going to show you one thing they did, and it's easy to change back, but I left it like this because, to be honest with you, if it was my camper, I probably would have done the same thing. This is a table booth up here, but the people made it into a bed and then put a mattress on it. So it's a permanent bed, but the table booth is still in there, and the cushions are still there. So you can put this back to a table booth. You just have to get rid of the mattress if you do that. But most people are going to leave it down like this all the time anyway, so save you the trouble and make it a little bit more comfortable to sleep with the mattress on it. Overhead cabinets, those are Amish built cabinets. Notice they've done some little bit of decorating. Pretty cool. This is what I like about these little campers, folks. This is a small camper. It's hardly any square footage involved. You don't need a big rooftop AC. All that's going to do is add weight and service trouble later on. So what they did, and this is factory, they put a window unit in. It's only about a 5,000-6,000 BTU, which is all you need for this little area. And B, you can run that on a smaller generator. If you're primitive camping, say deer hunting or something like that, get you one of those little quiet Honda 2000s or 2500 or Yamaha generators, and it'll pull that air conditioner with power to spare. Got a little LP gas or electric Norcold refrigerator. Stovetop. Kitchen looks great. Like I said, got a lot of little custom touches to it. Microwave. CD player, place for a TV, which they've never had one in here. Doesn't even have holes in the wall where they had it mounted. This is your 2 bunks in the back, and these bunks supposedly have never been slept in. They just used it for storage. A couple had it. And there's the cushions for the table booth. So you've got the cushions, tables in there. You got that. Plus you got a rear bathroom, little closet right here. Plenty of LED lighting. Look back here, you got a tub, shower, skylight, everything looks great. Just a nice little camper, folks. I mean, it's a 15 model, and it doesn't show hardly any use at all. It's lightweight, it's got a furnace, it's got a water heater. This is a little camper that, you can use for a couple or for a small family, or it'd be great for deer hunting because you've got 3 separate beds in here, which is always nice if you're going deer hunting. And you can tow it with a smaller vehicle. It's not going to kill you on gas when you're towing it like a big trailer will. Not bad at all. all you need, really. It's simple. It's easy to use. There's nothing real complicated. It's one of those things that back it into the spot, unhook it from the truck, and you're hooked up and camping in 5-6 minutes. Hook your water, power, sewer up, and you're ready to go. Nothing to it. You know, you don't have slide out you got to worry about maintaining. You don't have power jacks or level up or any of that stuff. It's just a pretty basic little camper. And there's a lot of people that enjoy something like that. It's simple. It's easy. You know, with that air conditioner, you don't have to carry a great big generator with you if you're going to boondock camp. You can just get away with a small. Heck, that little generator that I use in my videos, it's a 2,000 watt. I paid like $500 for it, brand new, and it's quiet, and it'll power everything in here, including that air conditioner. So definitely doesn't take much for this little camper. Or, of course, if you're going to the campground like most people do, you're going to be hooked up to shore power anyway. Anyway, folks, 2015 Jayco 154BH SLX Jay Flight. It's 2,419 pounds. It's no carpet in it. I mean, it's just ideal for somebody wanting a basic little camper. Easy to tow, easy to haul, easy to park. $84.95. You get the $84.95. You get this little camper that doesn't. I never say like new, but by God, folks, this thing's been used. I can't tell it. Besides the custom decorations, heck, you've got the little remote control right there for your CD player. Anyway, folks, $84.95. You get this camper. You get a 90-day nationwide limited warranty that we purchase on your behalf, taking a network of dealers nationwide. We also give you, we also do a complete inspection on this camper, which, to be honest with you, that should be a pretty easy process. There's not that much to check on this camper, but we'll check it, make sure all the RV components work perfectly. If you want a copy of the list of everything that we inspect and repair if needed for the price you pay, contact my sales department. They will send you over a list, which, like I said, it literally covers everything in here, so I don't think that's going to be a problem. But they'll go over the checklist with you, what it covers, what it doesn't cover. And, of course, this unit hasn't been checked out besides the major stuff. We know the air and the fridge works and the lights work, but that's as far as we've got. And the jack works. There's really not that much more to check, folks, to be honest with you. But we'll check it. We'll check your propane system, your water system, stuff like that. So, contact my sales department, 706-965-7929. You get the warranty, you get the inspection, of course, and it's cleaned up. Service manager done his final walkthrough. He's happy with it. He calls you, sets up an appointment. Folks, it literally won't take me more than a couple of days to get this thing ready for you after you purchase it, if even that long. I mean, it's nothing to it. However, we'll go through it, nitty gritty, make sure everything's good for you. That way, for $84.95, folks, you're getting a 2015 Jayco Jay Flight SLX 154BH with a warranty, inspected. You'll get an RV orientation when you arrive here. The tech that checked it out is going to go over everything on the checklist, make sure you know how to operate it, answer any questions you have, help you hook it to your vehicle, and more. Nationwide deliveries available, financing's available with approved credit. We give you 21 nights of free camping, up to 7 nights at a time at select RV resorts nationwide. In a 12-month period, that's $1,000 worth of free camping. You get the warranty, you get the free camping, get the orientation, you get a 45-day drive-out tag. You get a starter kit with your camping essentials, sewer hose, water hose, etc. You get instructional DVDs and more, all inclusive, one price store, $84.95 plus applicable sales tax. One price means haggle-free, firm, non-negotiable. We don't take offers. It takes $84.95 to buy this little camper. These are not the easiest things to find right now, especially this nice for this lower price. And if you bought this thing brand new, folks, in 15 and you financed it, you would owe quite a bit more than what we're asking for it. So, and be out of warranty. So give us a call, 706-965-7929. This one's not going to last long. Like I said, I got a customer request a small bunkhouse camper, so here you go. Whether that person buys it or not, I don't know. But hey, I've got so many of these things in, folks. I'm so backed up with getting these things online that if you've got a request request like this guy did, let us know what you're looking for, and I'll bump it to the front of the list and get it online as soon as I possibly can for you. And like I did for this one. But anyway, folks, 706-965-7929. $84.95 is option A, haggle-free price, one price store, plus applicable sales tax. If you want to know how much your sales tax will be, when and where you have to pay that sales tax, it varies on where you live and how you pay for it. Contact my sales department when you're getting a copy of that list. Ask them for a sales tax estimate. Tell them where you live, how you're paying for it, and they'll tell you, give you an accurate estimate as well as when and where you have to pay it. Everybody has to pay tax in some form or another, folks. That's just part of living in this great country. If you got any questions about it, folks, give us a call. We do offer an option B, which is as-is price, no warranty, no inspection, buying it as is. We'll give you a little bit of a discount because we don't have to pay for the warranty. We don't have to pay for the inspection. If you want a price on option B, a haggle-free price on that, contact my sales department, and they'll give you that price as well. Come out and look at it if you're able to, and decide if it's the right one for you. Got a good selection of little travel trailers right now, folks. They go quick. Anyway, folks, thank you for watching. Remember, that bed is it's permanent, but it can be moved back to a table booth. Everything's in here to do it. Won't take just a few minutes, but you just have to store the mattress somewhere. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, call us, email us. Financing is available with approved credit. Minimum 10% down payment is mandatory. Nationwide delivery is available. Go to my website, parkwayrvcenter.com. I've got this unit as well as most of our other units online with pictures, specs, details, weights, tank sizes, and much more. If you're watching this video on YouTube, I've made it really easy for you. Just go to the video description below, and there'll be a link in the first paragraph that will take you right to my used travel trailer page. And you can see everything we've got. Now, keep in mind, I've got several more that's not online, and if you don't see what you're looking for, it would really benefit you and pay for you to call. Let the salesperson know what you're looking for, and we may have your RV here, just not posted online yet. And, folks, I'm doing my best to get caught up with that. So definitely stay tuned to my channel. I'm going to be posting a lot of stuff still. But keep in mind, a lot of this stuff is already sold before I could get it online, because people do what I just said. They call ahead. Hey, I'm looking for this. Didn't see it on your website, but do you have it? And yeah, we got it. Here's the price. All right, then they buy it before they even hits online. So keep in mind, these things do not sit around. You know, the old wives' tales of RV business slowing down the wintertime. Well, folks, that's an old wives' tale. It actually, it doesn't slow down. It does around Christmas for a couple of weeks, but that's it. It's fact, so many people wait till this time of year to buy because they like to go camping this time of year. So, be a nice little camper to use, inexpensive, something that anybody can afford the payment on. We take trade-ins, and we have financing available with approved credit. Thank you for watching. Look forward to seeing you in beautiful Ringgold, Georgia.